Hello everybody. So through this session we'll start grammar, and in grammar we discuss determiners. So the words which determine nouns are called determiners. For example, a pen, an orange, some students, etc. Further, determiners are of five kinds: possessive, demonstrative, quantitative, numeral, and articles. So first of all we will discuss possessive determiners, and possessive determiners are kind of adjectives which shows relation or possession. For example, my bag, our home, your pen, his father, her uncle, its tail, and their car, etc. etc. So here my, our, your, his, her, its, and their, these are possessive determiners. Next we have demonstrative determiner, which point towards any particular person or thing. They are further definite and indefinite demonstrative determiners. For example, this watch, or these boys, those benches, such games, etc. Now we are talking about here pointing towards definite things: a particular watch, this watch, some particular boys, these boys, those benches, and such games. But when we are not talking particularly and we are talking in general, like a match, some boys, any game. Now here, not even the match nor the boys and neither the game is particular. We are just talking in general. That's why these are indefinite demonstrative, uh, but all these are just demonstrating, they are pointing towards these nouns. Next we have quantitative, which tells about the quantity but not number. For example, much, little, no, some, sufficient, all, whole, half, etc. Like we'll see in sentences also. I need some sugar. Second, this is all the milk. There is no bread. There is much space. So in these sentences, some, all, no, much, these are quantitative determiners telling about the quantity and not the number. In quantitative we have little also. So little talking about has 2-3 meanings. If we are having little only, so it means not much. If we say a little, that means some at least. And if we say the little, it changes its meaning to the whole, whatever is there. Here we should see also that little is talking about negative, and a little is somewhere where it is affirmative, or you can say positive, and the little can be used as negative also or positive also. For example, if we say there is little water in the tank, it means there is not much water in the tank. Similarly, if we say that there is a little water in the tank, then it becomes positive. It means that there is some water in the tank. Likewise, if we write down, we will use the little water in the tank, that means the whole water, whatever is there in the tank, we will use all that. So next we have numerals. Now these are related to counting, these are related to numbers. So if we have exact quantity, exact number, then it is definite numeral, and if we don't have exact, then we call it indefinite. For example, he has 4 books. Indefinite, he has many books. Definite, she has one house. And indefinite, she has several houses. Further, 5 workers are there. and here all the workers have gone. So we can see there that definite numeral 4, 1, 5. On the other hand, indefinite numerals many, several, and all. So like in demonstrative we have little, here in numerals we have few, and few also has like meanings. If we use only few, it means not many. If it is a few, means some, at least, the few, the whole, whatever are there. Further we will try to understand this by using some examples. Like if we say he makes few mistakes, means not many, or you can say no, negligible. Further, if we say he makes a few mistakes, means some mistakes. And if we say I corrected the few mistakes he had made, means that I had corrected all the mistakes which he had made. Whole, whatever were there, I corrected them all. Last we have articles, and articles are further classified into definite and indefinite articles. Here we know that the is definite article, whereas a and an are indefinite articles. It is indefinite article a is used before all the consonantal sounds. For example, a boy, a European, a 1 rupee note. So when we are talking about consonantal sound only, so we know that here the sound of B, consonant. A is used here because here the sound of European consonant Y. Here A is used because here one sound of W or V, we can say consonant. So before the consonantal sounds, the indefinite article is used. Similarly, the indefinite article an is used before the vowel sounds. For example, an orange, an MLA, an SDO. So when we are talking about vowel sounds, we have to see sound of O, definitely vowel. Here, and before the sound of A, that is M. MLA starts with a vowel sound. In the similar way, it is S starts with A sound of vowel. So that's why starting with vowel N. Last, the definite article the is used before the definite things. It is used before the names of rivers, mountains, oceans, holy books, celestial bodies, etc. For example, these are few of the examples where we can use the also. So with this, our topic of determiners finishes here.